Want to learn electronics without any hardware? Tinkercad makes it easy. It's a free, browser-based simulator by Autodesk that lets you build and test circuits virtually. Start by visiting tinkercad.com and creating a free account. Once you are in, click on Circuits and select Create New Circuit to begin. From the sidebar, drag and drop a breadboard, an LED, a resistor, and a battery onto the canvas. These are the basic components for a simple LED circuit. Now, connect the positive terminal of the battery to one end of the resistor. Then, connect the resistor to the longer leg of the LED, the anode. Finally, complete the circuit by connecting the shorter leg of the LED, the cathode, back to the battery's negative terminal. Double-check your connections, then click Start Simulation. If wired correctly, the LED will light up. You can even change resistor values or LED colors to experiment. Tinkercad also includes virtual multimeters, oscilloscopes, and Arduino boards for more advanced simulations. It's the perfect platform for beginners to understand electronics, test ideas, and avoid mistakes before building anything in real life. So jump in, experiment freely, and let your creativity flow with zero risk and zero cost.